In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe easily in just 5 minutes. This integration will allow your customers to make purchases using Affirm, thereby broadening your payment options and potentially increasing sales. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. If you're not logged into your account, you'll want to do that before we proceed. So, on the Stripe homepage, look for the sign in option in the top right corner and give it a click. You'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address and password. Make sure you type it correctly, then hit the sign in button to safely access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. From here we need to move to the settings, so go ahead and look for the settings option, typically represented by a gear icon, in the lower section of the left hand sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to the settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your Stripe account. In the settings menu, look for product settings. This section is crucial as it contains all the necessary configurations for managing your products. Once you locate it under product settings, you should see an option titled payments. Click on this to access the payment settings. After you're in the payment section, the next step is to click on payment methods. This is where you can add or manage the payment methods you wish to offer your customers. Scroll down until you see Affirm. It might be listed among other alternative payment methods, so keep an eye out for it. Now beside the Affirm option, you will see a toggle switch. Go ahead and click on it to turn on Affirm as one of your payment methods. Make sure the toggle is switched to on, which may show as a highlighted or differently colored toggle indicating the method is active. That's it. You have successfully added Affirm to your Stripe account, enabling another convenient payment option for your customers. This can potentially boost sales by providing flexible payment solutions. If needed, double check that Affirm is showing up as active in your payment methods list to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Thanks for following along. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance. Until next time, take care